Hi all, John Jarvis here from firstpagetraffic.com. This is Module 1 in our free WordPress training course. Here I'll be filling you in on website hosting and your domain name. The first thing that you should know is you'll get your website running a day or two quicker if you decide on your web hosting company before you register your domain name. Why? Because when you register your name, most companies allow you to set up your name servers at the same time. And your name servers, of course, help the internet find your website. Is your domain name important? What should it be? What are you going to do if the name that you want is already taken? Let's figure that all out now. For starters, you should know that the search engines prefer a .com over all other website addresses. Let's say that Superman had a business idea of starting a company where people paid for hero services and was registering a domain name for it. So he goes out and he buys superheroes.com. Now let's say one of his counterparts wants to cash in on and steal his business idea. This fellow finds out that superheroes.org is only 99 cents, so he picks it up. Now if both websites had the exact same content on it, which website do you think will rank first in the search engines? The .com will win out every time, so get a .com whatever you do. Now what should you choose for your domain name itself? If you're going to be an affiliate marketer, you brand your own name, so it should be yourownname.com. If you're going to build a website for a traditional type business, it should be yourbusinessname.com. Your domain name should be all about branding. If you can't possibly find a .com that fits your needs, go to this website address for help: www.domainsbot.com. All you need to do there is type in a name or a word and it gives you a major amount of ideas. And if you still can't seem to find something that fits, a .net works next best to a .com. Here's another great tip for you. According to a Google patent, valuable, legitimate domains are often paid for several years in advance, while doorway, illegitimate domains, rarely are used for more than 1 year. Therefore, the date when a domain expires in the future can be used as a factor in predicting the legitimacy of a domain name. In other words, when you buy your domain name, get it for at least a 2-year period. Let's quickly talk about your website hosting. If you're first starting out online, you can tinker around with some of the cheaper hosting accounts. You can get them for $9.95 a month and up. If you want to have a very professional website, then make sure that your web hosting account allows everything unlimited, as in unlimited bandwidth, disk space, and so on. Be professional. You don't want to register a domain name like junk.com and have cheap website hosting. The search engines know exactly what we're doing online, even down to whether we're using professional online business tools or not. Stick around and follow this training all the way to the end. Firstpagetraffic.com will show you how to get thousands of free visitors to your website. That's it for Module 1. You can now scroll down the web page, get your website hosting and your domain name, and move on to Module 2. I'll see you then.